Stay informed about every update happening across your tasks. With activity logs in Jotform Boards, you can track every change, comment, and update in one place. I'm Neil with Jotform, and in this video, I'll show you how to use activity logs in Jotform Boards. Let's get started. First, go to your workspace and click the Create button. Select the board, choose Use Template, search for and select the Onboarding Checklist template. Click Use Template to open the board. Once the board loads, rename it. For example, Onboarding Checklist 2026. This is your main dashboard where all your tasks and workflows are organized in one place. Tasks are grouped in columns that represent different stages of the workflow. You can add tasks, move them within groups, and collaborate visually with your team. Now, let's create a new task to generate some activity elements. Click Add Task under the backlog, name the task Prepare New Hire Role. Open the task to view the details. This is a task detail view where you can manage everything related to the task. Here, you'll find sections like assignees, priority, due dates, tags, attachments, descriptions, comments, and activity tracking. Let's make a few updates to this task. First, assign the task to Sarah Johnson. Next, set the priority to high. Add a due date for next Friday. Now upload an onboarding document attachment. Add a comment saying, please prepare onboarding materials before orientation day. Every action we make is automatically recorded inside the task activity. At the bottom of the task, you'll see both the comment section and the show activity option. Click show activity to switch from comments to the activity log. Here you'll see a complete chronological history of every update made to the task. The log captures everything from task creation and timelines to due date changes, comments, attachments, and priorities. You can also see exactly who made each change and when it happened. This creates full transparency across your workflow and helps teams stay informed. Activity updates appear in real time as changes happen. This gives your teammate a live snapshot of task progress and collaboration. If needed, you can always look back to verify decisions, review updates, or understand how a task evolved. With everything automatically tracked, nothing gets lost, overlooked, or disconnected from the task itself. And that's how you can track your task activity using activity logs